Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Live and Love Science. Today we are going to discuss about the one serious problem which all of the plant lovers like us have to face at least once in their garden, and that is the problem of mealybugs. So what are mealybugs exactly? Mealybugs are actually scale insects found in warm habitats. They are sap-loving pests as they feed on plant juices of houseplants and act as a vector for several plant diseases. They attach themselves to the plant and secrete a powdery wax layer used for protection while they suck the plant juices. You also might have seen ants on the infected part as they live in a symbiotic relationship with the mealybugs. Ants protect them from predators and feed on the honeydew which the mealybugs excrete. Mealybugs may cause a serious damage to your plants, so it is very necessary to eradicate them permanently as soon as you see them for the first time on your plants. Even I was also very disturbed and surprised to see this problem of mealybugs in 4 of my beautiful plants, that was hibiscus, sunshazia, bleeding heart and musunda. And I tried a very simple and easy DIY technique to remove them permanently, which I am going to share it with you in this video. But before that, if you are enjoying my video or you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you would get the notifications of my upcoming videos. So as you can see that this is my musunda plant, and from top to the middle of this plant it was totally infected by mealybugs, and on the tip of the plant the newly coming leaves were also infected by the mealybugs. So it was very disappointing for the plant as well as for me, being a plant lover, that these mealybugs have infected the plant, but not as a whole, because 2 of its branches were still left very protected and I have to save this whole plant completely. So what I did is I just took a trigger sprayer bottle. This bottle is especially used to treat with the plants that are infected with some insects, and this is that amazing thing with which I am going to remove these mealybugs on my plants. This is a shampoo, and you can also use 1 rupee sachet shampoo that comes in a small sachet. Okay, that means just you spending 1 rupee you can now get rid of mealybugs. So I am pouring some water in this bottle. Okay, the quantity of water depends upon the number of plants you are treating with. So as I am treating 4 of my plants, so I'll be filling this bottle almost more than half, and I'll pour this shampoo sachet, 1 rupee sachet, complete sachet into this bottle. I will be using whole sachet because I have to apply it on my 4 plants. That is why I am using whole sachet. But if you are treating with only 1 plant, you can use half a sachet, and just mix this solution. And now I'll be applying it on my plants. This is my musunda plant where you can easily see the pest infestation. Okay, and after applying you can see that some of the bugs have already been removed, but you have to continue this treatment, and for a few more seconds you have to trigger this spray bottle on the pest so that all the mealybugs fall off. This is very effective and very easy to use because shampoos are always available in anyone's house, so you can use this trick and see what amazing result is this, that all the mealybugs have been removed from the branch that was totally infected by the mealybugs. You can see it easily. Still I'll be applying some more sprays, and this is my hibiscus plant. You can see the tips, there are mealybugs. They have just started appearing, and on the flower you can see just below the flower there are lots of mealybugs. So The same way I'll be applying that solution on this plant also. As you can see that mealybugs generally attack the very delicate and sensitive portions of the plant. In my plant, the hibiscus flower is badly affected and the bud portion is also infected. So I'll be spraying this solution all over the plant. And this is my Sanchesia plant. As you can see, though the infection is not very mild, but the application has to be done because a mild attack can also lead to a serious problem because they grow very fast. And this is my bleeding heart plant, and you can see the below the lower surface of the leaves was also infected, so I have to trigger a spray this plant also with that solution which I have shown you earlier. And after having a good spray, all my plants, look, here was also a mealybug and it was sprayed. So you have to check all over the plant. Generally they are hidden on the lower surface of the leaves, so when you have spread all over the plant, you have to check it thoroughly that whether any traces of mealybugs have been left or not, because even a single trace of mealybugs can lead to a repeated attack. So you have to be very careful while spraying that solution. Now you can see that all my 4 plants are free from mealybugs. Not a single trace of mealybugs you can find on them. This is Sanchesia. The apical portion is now free, and this is bleeding heart, and all the 2 branches are now free from mealybugs. You can easily see I haven't seen any mealybug coating over here. So this is hibiscus, and the flower portion is also free from mealybugs, and the bud portion is also free. So I'm happy with this. And you can also see I'm making it more clear, more closer to you, so that you can also watch. You can also have a look that no mealybugs are now present over here. And the next one is musunda. Previously its branches were coated with that powdery substance, but now there is not a single trace of mealybugs. But still the whole process is not over. To avoid their comeback, the treatment involves a second step too, and the second step involves the usage of neem leaves. Yes, you have to take few fresh leaves like this and grind it into the grinding machine and just make a thin paste like this. And after that you just pour it into a strainer and just strain it out. After that you can pour at least a liter of water into it and make a solution of neem. Pour it into a bottle and prepare a neem insecticide. It's a DIY insecticide and it is very effective. The other way of preserving the neem extract solution for longer period of time is just that you take few more handful of neem leaves and boil it on the stove and boil it for few more minutes so that the water turns yellow. And after that you cool it down, and after cooling this, pour this neem extract solution into a bottle and you can preserve it for at least 15 to 20 days, so that if you can see any other mealybug attack, you can spray it immediately. So both the bottles are ready. This is the fresh neem extract solution and this is the boiled one. Both are equally effective. So now I will treat my all those 4 plants with this neem extract solution, and I will use again this trigger sprayer bottle, fill half of this solution and mix half liter of water into it and shake it well, and spray it on all the plants which were previously affected by the mealybugs. This treatment is very important to avoid the comeback of mealybugs permanently. So viewers, now you can see that treating all my plants with neem extract solution has give them a new luster. So this is a very effective method and the most simplest method to fix the problem of mealybug. So viewers, if you like this video and the idea of fixing the problem of mealybugs, do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you could get the notification of my upcoming videos. We'll meet very soon in any other video. Till then, bye bye, stay connected and keep watching my channel Live and Love Science.